Alright guys, so gonna replace the air filter real quick. So we got one. I'll just take them off. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so you guys can see we got a stripped one in here. So we're just going to use the number 8 to get this off. Fuck, my hands are sore from all the oil. Now we're just going to go ahead and pull this off. Just loosen that up. Just like that. Oh, there we go. Alright guys, so I just said fuck it. So I took that one going off into there. It's just a pinch clip. That goes into there. Took it off. Took this one off. And then just wiggled it out. Well, there you have it right there. Okay. So we're gonna get the new one. There it is. Fram extra guard 2 times, basic shit. For the 2002 Honda CRV. Okay. Super simple, guys. Anyone can do this. Fucking monkey eating bananas can do this. That one's pretty dirty. Okay. I'll just throw that one in there. That one's in. I'll just show you guys. Let's put back on. Same procedure, just reverse. Okay. All right, guys. Mr. SFM Collective, fresh out of the shower, and that's how you replace the air filter on your 2002-2006 Honda CRV 2.4 liter, and very simple basics. Peace.